Unboxing. User Manual. Shower buckle. Chair foot. Backrest. Trestle. Seat frame tube. Seat frame. Armrest. Please refer to the user manual. Assemble. Step 1. Thread the two longest support tubes through the bottom sides of the seat cushion. Note, the button must face outwards, together with the direction of the hole. Step 2. Align and install the side brackets with the support tubes. Step 3. Insert the full chair legs into the brackets one by one, ensuring that each leg's ball bearing pops out properly. Step 4. Insert the two armrests into the plastic slots on both sides of the main frame. Step 5. Align the backrest with the pipe opening on the back of the seat frame, and then insert it. Step 6. Install shower buckle. Pulling the button outward allows you to control the seat rotation. Pulling the button outward enables you to control the seat's left and right sliding movement. Height adjustment. Press down on the leg marbles and adjust to the right height.